Dijiste que esto era un medio también y un medio.
Sí.
So this will be uh, an eighth, and this will be an eighth. And this will be an eighth.
And SAP will be 1/8.
AP will be one eighth. Okay.
So inside ABCD is the square SRPQ, which has sideline the square root of 2 divided by 2.
Okay. So so this will be one half of one half.
So the area of the triangle is the square root of 2 divided by 4.
The area.
The area is the square root of 2 divided by 4.
Square root of two. Square of two divided by four.
The square root of 2 divided by 4.
Square root of two divided by four. No. Okay. Let's see. Si ya dividiste esta figura, tienes octavos, 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 octavos. ¿Qué fracción es SPQR?
And
Yeah. What fraction represents SPQR?
half.
Okay. So one half of ABCD. So if you want to solve this way, we have here uh one half. It's the midpoint of SR. And here we can look for the other midpoint. If we draw this line, this will be parallel to this. So here we have a parallelogram. So this triangle, it's equal to this one. And this triangle, it's equal to this one. The area of the
Um,
similar.
since T is the midpoint of S and R. That means that the triangles are congruent.
Okay. Yes. This triangle will be 1/2 of 1/2. Huh? Do you understand why?
Okay.
Okay, let's see another ideas. Mm, let's see. Every time that we have parallel lines, for example, this and this, if we want to calculate the area of this triangle, it's 3, okay? Now, if we want to know the area of this triangle, what is the area of the orange one?
3.
3. It's the same because they both have the same base, and the measure of the height, it's the same. This height is 2, and this other height, it's also 2. Okay. If we move this point, every triangle has an area of 3. Do you understand this idea? Okay, we can use this idea for solving this problem. Because another, okay, there is another thing that I want that we see. We have this triangle, okay? If we take the midpoints of this side, and this side, and we draw this line is parallel to this one, okay? Do you understand this idea? This line, it's parallel to this one, and will be 1/2 of this. Okay. If we take the other midpoint, and we draw this will be parallel to this line, and will be 1/2, because this triangle is equal to this triangle. And if we draw this will be parallel to this one. Okay, do you understand this idea? So let's see. Okay, let's draw this. And these are the midpoints. And we draw this one. And here we have another midpoint on the other. Those two lines are parallel lines. Estas dos líneas son paralelas. ¿Sí logras ver por qué? Okay. We can draw this diagonal, this line, and because Those are the midpoints. This will be parallel to this one. And if we take the other side, okay, I made something wrong. Okay, 2. If we draw this triangle, this is the midpoint, and this is another midpoint. So this is parallel to this one. So this SR, it's parallel to PQ. SR is parallel to PQ. Okay? So we want to solve this. We can draw any triangle like this because there are parallel lines. Como son paralelas, every time that I move this point, we are going to get a triangle that has the same area. So if we take this triangle, especially this one, we can see that this is 1/8. This is 1/8. So the answer is 2x. And if we simplify this, we will get 1/4. Okay? Do you understand this idea?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. That's it. Now, let's try to solve some problem, one problem of the of CIMOC. No, SASMO. Okay, this one. Let's try this problem. Sorry.
Can you move down the problem so I can see the full problem?
Perdón?
Move down the problem so I can see the full
Oh, okay. Sorry. Now you can see. Do you have ideas for this?
No.
Okay, let's see. We're going to draw we are going to draw this. We can use algebra. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's see. We only know that this side is 8, and we don't know what is the side of this square. Okay. So we can have, for example, this is 8, and this is also 8. This will be x, this will be x, this will be x, this will be 8. BG, do you know how to
BG is 8 minus x.
uh 8 minus x?
No, x minus 8.
X minus 8. Okay. Now we're going to need, okay, we don't know what is the measure of this. If we use a G, okay, we don't know what is that height. So we can do something like that. Here we have a square. And here we have another square. Era para el otro lado. And we have this line. Okay. So we can have this triangle. And we will have this one. One point here. Because AD is parallel to BC, we can transform this figure and this. And this area, it's equal to this area. See, Sebastian? Okay, so the total area of this will be x squared plus 8 squared. We are thinking about this and this. Yes? But if we want only the green, we need to subtract this. What is the area of this one?
X times x minus 8 divided by 2.
And the area of this one?
32.
Okay. And the area of all this?
X times x plus 8 divided by 2.
And we are going to subtract all this. Okay. We need to remove this part and this part and this part. And we will get the green one. So make the algebra.
X squared minus x plus 8 squared minus 32.
Okay, again, please. I need to write that.
X squared minus x plus 8 squared minus 32.
I get lost. Okay, let's try again. We have this and this. We can vamos a juntar estos dos. Okay, let's make this part. We'll get x squared plus 32. Okay. Now this one will be minus x squared minus 8x divided by 2 minus x squared plus 8x divided by 2. I think that.
X squared plus 32 minus x squared So the area of the shaded region is 32.
Yes, we already made all this. We will get, if we make this part, we will get x squared divided by 2 minus 8x divided by 2. And this sign, change this one and this one. If we made this, we will get x squared divided by 2 plus 8x divided by 2. And this sign changes this one and this one. Okay? So those two disappear. And those two gives minus x squared. So those two um, cancel this and we will get 32. Okay? ¿Sí, Sebastián?
Sí.
Ok, pero veámoslo de otra forma. En lugar de mover este, podríamos mover este. Ok. Oh no, I can't move this. We are going to eliminate this. We can move instead this triangle because this is parallel to this one and they will get the same area. Okay? See? So if we look at this one, I think that we can do this. No, we can move this. No, we can move this. Okay. Okay, we're not going to move this. You can see this triangle. If we use this as the base, this will be the height. This one. And this is A. And this one, it's equal to this one. So this is also 8. It's much more easier. Do you understand this idea?
Sí.
Esa idea de mover, de tener un triángulo con la misma área al mover la figura, es bastante, bastante poderosa. Y pues hay que aprender a usarla. ¿Sí? Ok. So let's continue with this one. ¿Tienes idea, Sebastián?
No.
¿No? Ok, fíjate. Opción uno. Podríamos factorizar. We can factor this. Okay, let's see. For example, we have here 10, so this will be 2. So this is not en scale, no está a escala. Aquí sería 3, aquí sería 6. ¿Y cuál sería el de aquí?
18.
And then we will have 20 plus 30 plus 12 plus. Okay, this will be 80. But if we factor here a 5, we will have here 4. Here we will have 6, and here we will have 3. And 3 also will be 18. Yes?
Yes.
But if we factor this 2.5 here, we will have here an 8. Here we will have a 12. And here we will have, I don't know, 12 divided by 8. It's like
1.5.
1.5. Okay. But if we multiply this by this, we will have again an 18. This always will be 18. Why is that? It's because we don't know what this length is. We're going to call this X, and we're going to call this Y. This will be Z, and this will be P. So if we don't know those two, we know that X times Y, X times Z, and this will be Z times Y, and this will be PX, and this will be PY. Okay? If we have a rectangle and we divide this way with parallel lines, every time we will get that those two multiply gives those two. Because this is the same. Okay, do you understand this idea?
Okay.
Okay, so every time that we divide this way a rectangle, we can say that, let's call this A. 20 times A, it's equal to 12 times 30. So we will have A will be 12 times 30 divided by 20. We're going to get 6 times 3, and it will be 18. Okay? This is a property that we can use in every problem that has rectangles, okay? Now try those two. Ya le envié estos problemas a tu mamá, Sebastián, al grupo. El 13, sí, sí, de una vez.
3,
Okay, yes, because we have 6 and 3. So 6 times 3, it's 18. And this is 2 times this one. So this will be 6. And those 2 will give 12. So 3? No, I don't think so.
um, mm, 4,
Okay. No, I think that it's 2, no? No, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4. Yeah, this is 4. Okay. Bueno, Sebastián, ya son las 4. Yo creo que por hoy terminamos, ¿sí? Intentan los demás problemas y nos vemos la siguiente semana, ¿ok?
okay.
Muy bien, muchas gracias. Que estés muy bien. Hasta luego, bye.